Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Now, guys, we are going to start our new unit in geometry. Yes. Now, the first topic we have here a parallel and perpendicular line. It's really very easy. Parallel and perpendicular. So, what is the parallel? You can see here parallel lines that are always the same distance apart. Look, you can see these two straight lines. Okay. So for you, I'm going to make parallel lines here. Look, if I these the first line is this, right, and now I'm this another line. I'm going to draw here. Same. Look, these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. You can see this parallel lines. We can say, and this line could be lines like this. Also parallel line. It could be like this or could be like this. Yes. So these two lines are parallel. You can see this straight line and this straight line. Okay. But if you look at this line here, so these two lines are not parallel. You can see, uh, look, the distance here is more than here. Okay. So these are not parallel lines. Okay. The parallel line, they will not meet a point, but these line will meet one point. So if two lines meet at one point, so we can say that these lines are not parallel. Okay, same like this. But these lines, you can see these are parallel lines. Now this second thing is perpendicular. Perpendicular lines that intersect. Intersect means cross. I'm going to do the look. First, I'm going to draw this. This is a line we have here. Yes, straight line. Yes. Okay. Now, second line. Second line, this cross this line. You can see. Look, this line one and second line cross and making this angle 90. This angle 90 degree. Yes, straight. So we can say these two lines are intersect each other. Okay, cutting each other. Yes, and if I draw this line, if we draw line like this, look, we can say that this is line. Don't think so here. So this line could be here. Here, look, this also look. These two lines, this line and this line perpendicular to each other. Okay, so we can say these two lines are perpendicular lines to each other. Yes, look, they cutting this one line, the other line. Okay, we can say okay, if we draw one more line here, so we can say that yes, again, so this is line A and B and line C. So you can see that these two lines perpendicular to each other and these two lines also perpendicular to each other. Okay guys, now what is the right angle? An angle measuring 90 degree. Always this 90 degree straight. Two straight lines always make a 90-degree angle. I'm going to show you here. Look, this is angle 90. You can see this angle 90, this 90 angle here, 90 degree. So if two lines making 90 degree, we can say these lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, come to the question here. The first question here, look around you here. This is classroom. Okay, describe 5 pairs of parallel line that you can see. Okay, here this is a picture here of classroom. So we will find the parallel line. Okay, I'm going to show you here, guys. Look, if we use like this, look here, this line and this line, you can see these two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. Yes, sorry, parallel. These two parallel lines, you can see. Yes, and also these, you can see these two lines parallel. These two lines also you can see parallel, and here you can see this and this line parallel, this and this two lines parallel. So here these different lines you can see, and also the look at the table here. Look, this straight, this and this line, you can see these straight lines. These are parallel lines. These are parallel lines. Same like this. Okay, so we will uh, find next. We have here. Okay, describe the five pairs of line, perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, as I told you, cutting to each other. Yes. So look, this line and this line, you can see. Look here, this is perpendicular to each other. This may cutting each other line. Yes, and you can see also this line and this line. Okay, if you make, I'm going to make this line here. Look, this line straight and this line straight. Yes. So the let me draw this line. You can understand easily here. Look, I'm going to draw this. Look, this line, right? Yes, and look like this, and look, you can see this line and these line are making right angle. Okay, same like this. Two more line here. Okay, if we check, look, this, you can see this line, right, and this also, these are perpendicular lines here, and you can see um, table here. You can see, look, this line and this line in a picture like this, but these are perpendicular lines each other. So guys, hope you understand this. Really easy. Now come to the next. We're going to do the next page. Now here, this is, look guys, this. Now look, question number 2, which of these letters below have pairs of parallel, not pairs of parallel, two parallel lines. Okay, so pairs. Okay, we will make a circle around them to understand. Okay, look, a don't have parallel line. You can see this line and this line is, look, you can see now this line and not parallel, they are meeting at a point. So we, so also we don't have any parallel line here, but you can, no, you can see this e, look, 1 and 2, these are all three lines parallel. So you can see the e, letter e have, f, you can see parallel lines. Yes, here also we have parallel lines. Yes, g, or h, you can see this h, very, this line and this line parallel. I is only one, you can say. Okay, k, we don't have any parallel line. L, no. M, you can see this line, you can see this line and this line, you can see two lines, this first line and last line, these are two parallel. And also we have parallel lines in n. O, we don't have. P, we don't have. Q, R, S, T, U, you can see this line and this line parallel to each other. Yes, and W, we don't have. X, and we have Z, you can see the first line, you can see this first and this last. So these parallel lines here. Guys, I hope you understand this. Perpendicular and parallel lines, if two lines are equal, same distance, so we can say these lines are parallel. And if two lines cutting each other, so we can say these are the perpendicular line. Mm. Guys, hope so understand, inshallah. uh, See you in the next class, and try to do and find the things they have the parallel and perpendicular line. Okay, inshallah. See you. Assalamu alaikum.